Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energies, Aquarius, for your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. So, these are for your general energies. First, I'll be picking 3 cards for your general energies. For your relationship, next 3 more cards, and for your career situation, guys, 3 more cards from this deck. So we are picking cards randomly, guys, Aquarius, and these are a general reading, so it may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but take it as it resonates, Aquarius. So let's start with your general energies, the daily energies, the cards. So let's see. It is Fool, World, and Messenger of Air. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, this may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So maybe in your situation, you are the way you are approaching your problems or your circumstance, it may look like an impractical way to do things. So you are doing those actions, or you are making some decisions based on faith or trust you have in yourself, or you have on some person. So each and every step is something new coming your way. So you don't have that firm idea about the outcome of your situation. So you are deciding things as you go. So maybe for some of you it may work well because you have faith in yourself and you are fearless, you have that trust in yourself. But I also see that you have to give it more thought if you want that concrete outcome in your situation. Before making some important decisions, you should have that deep thought, guys. And whatever is happening in your situation today, maybe you feel that it is destiny, that is what is working in your situation, and the way you perceive your circumstance is totally changing today. So maybe you were handling this particular circumstance differently, maybe a few months back or a few days back, but today you are handling it differently because you do not fear what is going to come today towards you, and you are changing the way you see your circumstance, and you have learned so much, you have lots of experience, and you have gathered knowledge, and you know your point of view, and you are doing things that is giving you that highest good in your situation, guys. And you have that understanding that certain things were not working well for you in your past, maybe the similar circumstance. So today you are trying to do things in a different way. So things may go differently today, guys. So that is also what I see, guys. So these energies, it may be something related to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So let's see the cards for your relationship first. What are these cards? Queen of Air, Page of Earth, and King of Water. So with these cards, guys, uh, these cards, it may relate to your energy or your person's energy. So in this relationship with this person, you have you are really honest, and you are trying to bring that honesty in this relationship. Maybe you are inspiring this person to come out with the truth, be truthful to you, be truthful in this connection. So maybe you want to know something about them, you are trying to find out something about them today, guys, and you are what to say, you are a non-judgmental person. So you have that deep respect and caring for that person, and you want to find that beautiful understanding, make this relationship work into a harmonious deep bond. So you are working towards that deep understanding, and you are truthful, and you expect that other person also come out with the truth in their heart. So maybe you have certain what to say, certain doubts on certain things maybe, and you are asking them the truth, or they may be asking you the truth. So you're working in this relationship. So I see it is a very positive and beautiful connection you have with each other. You just want to be open and honest with each other, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And in this connection, you may be moving towards something new. Maybe you are planning to get engaged, get married to them, or you're planning to propose to them, or they are planning to propose to you. So something positive is coming towards you in this love. So things are going really smoothly, guys, for your relationship. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation. It's Magician, Ace of Fire, and Love. So with these cards, guys, you are really passionate about your work. So whatever plans you are having, or whatever choices, or whatever career path that you have chosen for yourself, it is something which you are really passionate about, and you are proceeding in a positive way today in your career situation, guys, and you really love this work, and you are able to things are what to say, aligning with your future. So whatever is supposed to come, you are aligning yourself beautifully, and you are committed to this work, and you put in your 100% efforts today, guys. And there is some kind of new beginning coming towards you. It may be something which you love, something that is challenging you, something that is bringing out that greater potential, and you are in that phase, you are dreaming big for yourself, guys. So maybe some huge changes are coming in your career situation. You have that inspiration and confidence, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see, Aquarius. Very beautiful cards here for your reading. Things are going really smoothly, guys, for you all. And that is the reading for today, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.